Shout out to the gang, shout out to the squad, aka family. It's your boy Ken over at Ken's Lifestyle Vlogs and Videos. Here with another banger for y'all today, man. See, I got the merch on, man, so you know it's gonna be a banger today, man. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm with one of my guys. I'm trying to learn how to drive a manual. He got a manual car. You know, it's rare because he done modded it out to his liking. So I ain't gonna do no more talking. I'm gonna just go ahead and get straight into this video, man. We meeting up with my guy JT. I'll get back at y'all in a minute. When honey. Yeah, we here at my dog JT crib, man. Big beefed up Raptor. With the boat in the back. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, there go my guy right there, man. He out here with the Solstice or whatever you call it. I call it the saucy Batman mobile, whatever. Type looking like Captain America over there.
2006 Solstice, man. Bought it when they first released them. I was one of those dudes that did a pre-order. My dumb ass went ahead and paid the little, you know, because you want it before everybody else.
Right.
No, son. Man, driving after coming out from the dealership, getting on the freeway.
Right.
I'm like, all right, let's kind of see what it's gonna do. You know, it's brand new, so I want to do a slow break-in. But when it got on the freeway, I said, let's just see, keep it at low RPM and get to 80. Man, I put it in fifth gear, the car slowed down.
Man, what?
You know, everything I get, I customize the hell out of it.
I can see that.
It. You know, I just kind of like to switch things up.
You got the raw, fully exposed carbon fiber on the car. Y'all see that intercooler down there, so you know it ain't a game, man. I seen you out here playing with the tire, man. So what you got in mind today, other than teaching me how to drive the manual?
Yeah. This is we got a little issue. So after just putting the proper amount of air pressure in the tires, it's kind of been sitting around for a minute. When you tug on this valve stem,
yeah,
you can hear the air release.
I hear it.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, we might have to pull this wheel off and go and replace this stuff.
That's right.
But meanwhile, while you're here, you know, I'm gonna get it, and you know, let you know what manual's all about. You know, if you want to feel cool when you pull up the gas station, you can look all cool and like act like, okay.
Look at him. How you ever seen a Solstice with the butterfly though?
Oh man, Lamborghini. But
Boy, if you don't.
You know, when it comes to manual, you know, you have your clutch, your brake, gas, e-brake, gear. So before we take this wheel off, you want to see how you feel on it?
For sure. Let's get it.
Man, you see how easy I slipped in, so.
Get the old man knees right.
Up. Uh-oh. All right. Okay. He got in there, folks. Look at.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't as comfortable as I want to be. I feel like a pickle in the version. I'm gonna say that. You know what I mean?
What the fuck?
I don't think this the move, man.
No, not this one.
Ain't no space for me, man.
All right, we might have to head up Enterprise.
Yeah, ain't no space for big dog.
All right, see what Enterprise got that manual, and we'll go do that.
I'm on the road to riches driving by ya. Why these niggas want pop my tires? Grew wings got fire. My name on flyers. And when the times got dire, I played the corner with the sellers and the buyers to make sure that you ain't. And that my family is straight. I put that food up on your plate. Just for that look up on your face. Just for that look up on your face. Gotta tell me that everything will be okay. When I thought it was no way. Drown out my misery in a rose. Playing it to feel like I was Kobe.
Yeah, so we back, man. We got the tire loaded up in the truck, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? With the spare on the back of the truck, man. That's the first time I saw that. You know, my guy JT got this thing modded nicely. And it's supercharged too, man. Don't sleep on these Fords. I know I be talking mess about Ford, but I'm beginning to like a whole lot of stuff I wasn't really into. I guess I was just stubborn, being as though I grew up around Chevy, but Ford got some nice stuff. And I like their trucks, and I'm gravitating towards the Mustang. This thing is a 6.2 SVT supercharged. Just stay tuned. There's gonna be a full review coming one of these days. Y'all stay tuned, but I'll get back at y'all in a minute though. 100. Yee!
I'm on the road to riches driving by ya. Why these niggas want pop my tires? Grew wings got fire. My name on flyers. And when the times got dire, I played the corner with the sellers and the buyers to make sure that you, ayy, and that my family is straight. I put that food up on your plate, just for that look up on your face. Just for that look up on your face. Tell me that everything will be okay. When I thought it was no way.
Hour later.
So we done finally made it to the tire shop, as you guys can see, man, with my guy Jay, Big J, Captain America Jay, the real Captain America, the black Captain America, man. You know, I ain't gonna stop saying it, man, so y'all might as well get used to it while we on camera. See, we got the tire up here. Hey, these tires type wide on your car too, man. I meant to tell you that earlier. They type wide.
What do you mean, like?
Like they're a little wider than factory.
It came with an 8-inch. What is it? They're about an 8-inch tire. You know how they usually use that tire size. And you know, I wanted that stagger look.
Right.
Bitch, I'm a star like a jelly. Ginger splashing like a jet ski. In my city with them 4G autos, got them sliding like they crazy. She wanna kill it like this. I got a piece of
Underscore Nard up next, man. I got plenty of footage of me doing tire work and stuff, taking 3-piece wheels off, Hellcats, all that. Just follow me, man.
Yeah, y'all go give my guy a follow, man.
Bitch, I'm a star like a jelly. Ginger splashing like a jet ski. In my city with them 4G autos, got them sliding like they crazy. She wanna kill it like this. I got a bitch so it's messy. I'm getting money, you play with my money, and that's really she could get deadly.
Excellent. Flawless victory.
Bruh. 2,000 years later.
You want a block burner till you heard about it. Every day I'm waking up, I get that money out it. Young hood nigga made it from the project house. Auntie know I'm rolling dope, she got that word about it. I'm the realest nigga breathing if I die at night. They ain't Killer JoJo, make me wonder why I lie. I was playing basketball when it was on the block, but now I play the block, and I play the top. I'm headed to the top, I'm aiming at the top. I run this shit, don't care if you don't fuck with me or not. I'm a real soldier with some of my homicides. So play pussy, bet your mama cry before mine. I'm from Fort Myers, young nigga blood thicker than a stop sign. I'm the truth in my section, nigga stop lying. I keep that 5 but on shore unless I feel it's time. Let's go away off in that stolo somewhere in the pond.
Hey, that shit went so fast, my damn cake, my thing wrapped around the camera, man. What you just saw from the inside of the car was a reverse 180. You saw it from the outside, and now you just saw it from the inside, from the man himself, my dog JT, man.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, man. We up out of here.
Control when you're in there.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's the extra weight, that's all. And we gone, we up out of there. You see us, man. Get back at y'all in a minute, though. 100. As y'all can see, my knees are gone. Like, for real, look at it from the side. My knees are gone, man. Look at this man comfortable. My knees are gone though.
So, other than that, man, it's a fun car. It's almost feel like a, to me it feels like just an oversized go-kart. Really nothing luxury about it. Just something like if you just want to get loose.
Right, nigga, right.
It's like on the fly getting loose.
loose for a second. Boy, I got loose. Back in, kicked all the way out, man.
So a little bit about this car. Back in the day, I purchased a Han turbo system for it. Damn! We went through quite a few turbos, a couple turbo manifolds, and finally they got it right. Hasn't gave me a problem within the last 10 years. Of course, the car, the only issue I had was running it hard, it'd overheat.
Right.
So I ended up getting a bigger radiator, hold a little bit more fluid, and you know, just keep those temperatures down and enjoy myself without having to worry about overheating and warping cylinder heads, you know?
There you go.
So, and one thing I didn't have hooked up today is if you see where it says that little bottle with the red lines, that's a methanol injection kit. And next time, hopefully about next time.
So you mean to tell me I ain't get the full effect,
You
baby?
did not, because once
What the hell? You finessing out here?
Once the methanol sprays in there, man, you'll feel the car kick. You're just like, yeah,
Oh man, he finessed me out here, man.
So,
we definitely gonna have to get that in.
As you know, you can still have a blast without it. You know, it's fun. It's a fun little car, an oversized go-kart.
And check out the way the hood goes up. You can see that carbon on there. Just like the Vet hood. Just like the SLR Mercedes McLaren.
Mm-hmm.
Same way.
Yep.
This is IG right here, man. Y'all want to go and check him out? This is IG, man. Y'all go and check him out. Prison mug shot one time for the one time.
DJ Esco, ET, Esco Terrestrial.
Hit it.
Yeah, you can whip it around. Whoa!
Bruh.
Gucci.
I was using it. It should have kicked around.